Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to find bank identification code on Cash App. The first thing I want you to do is just launch Cash App, okay? And then here on the home page, what I want you to do is tap on this icon right here, the home icon, okay? On the bottom left of the screen, and you should see your cash balance, okay? Now when you tap on your cash balance right here, you will find all your information. So if you already had everything set up, right, your accounts and stuff, you basically see your particular routing number, your bank account information, as well as other information as well. Sometimes it might be hidden, so you can often click on a small icon to copy those numbers directly to your clipboard and view it. And that is how you'll be able to find your bank identification code, okay, and also known as routing number on the Cash App. Anyways, if you found this video helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel.